Hello everyone, welcome to Yun's Family Table. I'm Yun and today I want to share with you how I make my chili oil wontons or红油抄手. This wonton has a smooth texture, but the flavor will kick you in the mouth. Start by making a fragrant water for the meat filling. In a bowl, combine sliced ginger, green onions, sichuan peppercorns, and 1 broken up star anise, and pour hot water to steep. Now for the ground meat. Here I'm using about 350 grams of ground pork and beef. Chop this into an even finer mince. We want a very fine mince because the texture of this wonton filling is going to be very smooth. To me, that's what differentiates a wonton from a dumpling. Dumpling fillings and wrappers are more substantial and has a bite to it, while both the wrapper and the filling of a wonton are delicate and soft. Then finally chop some ginger and green onions and set aside. Next, remove all the ingredients from your tea and set aside the remaining liquid. These are the seasonings that will go into the meat filling. To the minced meat, add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of Chinese 13 spice blend. If you can't find this ingredient, then don't use it. 1/2 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1/2 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and mix. Once the seasonings and meat are well combined, incrementally add in about 1/2 cup of the fragrant tea. Mix the meat in one direction vigorously to incorporate all the water. Doing this will give you a very smooth and velvety texture. Once that's done, add in the finely chopped or minced ginger and green onions and 1 egg. Mix again in one direction until everything is well combined and your meat is almost mousse-like in texture. Wonton wrappers are usually made with eggs, flour, and water. They are square in shape and are thinner than dumpling wrappers. To wrap the wontons, take about 1 teaspoon of the filling and put it in the center of the wrapper. Then fold it into a triangle. Then hold the triangle in your palm and bend your middle finger to create a crease. Instead of water, I use the filling as an adhesive as I wet one corner of the triangle. And pull the 2 corners together, twist one on top of the other, and press to glue the wonton into shape. This shape holds in the filling really well. Just resist the urge to overfill. Wontons are usually 50-50 when it comes to wrapper versus filling. To make the classic chili oil, combine dried chili, sesame seeds, ground Sichuan peppercorns into a heat-proof dish and pour hot oil over it. This will give you a spicy, yes, but also very fragrant and numbing chili oil that goes with anything. To cook the wontons, bring a pot of water to boil and gently drop the wontons in. Boil for 5 minutes or so until they're all floating. While the wontons are cooking, make the sauce by combining light soy sauce, Chinese black vinegar, a clove of minced garlic, and of course, a generous amount of the chili oil. When the wontons are cooked, lift them from the pot. Try not to get too much water into your serving bowl, as this dish is not meant to be soupy. Mix well with the sauce and top with cilantro or more green onions or both. This wonton is soft and very slippery. It has a smooth mouthfeel, like eating really soft noodle with meatballs. But the sauce is bold and sharp. It hits all the right spots. And the Sichuan peppercorn powder in the chili oil will make your tongue tingle. I hope you'll give it a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.